That's an old jewelry box.
And this is how we make old things new again and useful.
I have a sledgehammer. Can't use it in the house.
Maybe I'll go chase Dad with it. I'm taking a picture of this stupid thing.
Your big pile of crap is so in the way. This is gonna be fun. Huh?
There it is. The rattling starts up for a while.
So I'm taking pictures of your beautiful little box.
Now that he's discovered the wires, they got drilled into it.
Oh, I didn't want it to fall apart.
Sure. The tape wouldn't help with that at all.
Have to keep moisture out.
So in the end, you rendered to letting him use a weapon. Krista just accused you of caving since you let him have pliers.
With pliers, and how long has it been now?
Almost 50 minutes.
Still not open?
It's not even 45 minutes yet.
Still not opened yet.
Almost.
One wire out.
Two wire out.
Hey dude, don't you think you might need that other piece of... Oh gosh.
No. That's not going to do anything.
Now's the
I
real...
think is it glued shut?
Where's the hinges?
Right
Those
there.
hinges?
It opens right there.
Use the pliers.
Yeah, just don't damage the pliers.
Don't damage the box.
It's a nice box. You don't want to damage the box. You give it to your girlfriend.
Yes, with some drill marks in it.
Almost. You got the right idea. No.
Ain't open yet.
No, you have to open up the box now.
Don't think that's
The
going to
wires
work.
are gone and you still can't open it?
Nope.